Good morning, children. So the continuation I am going to tell is story of okay the snake and the mirror. The continuation I am going to explain for you, children. Okay. So what happened? The snake fell on his shoulders and he sit like a rock. Okay. It's a noting that I completed and today we will continue. I did not jump. He is not able to jump. I did not tremble. Even he did not tremble. Tremble means shake. భయంతో ఉనికిపోలేదు. I did not cry out. He is not able to cry out. See, if you see snake beside any place so far also, we are not able to go there and able to see. That much fear. So nobody will not like snake. If we see snake means the snake, we will surely will get fear. In that case, the man is facing very nearly this snake on his body. So that's why he is not able to express any feeling. He is not able to express any feeling. He is not able to jump. He is not able to tremble. He did not cry out. Okay, there was no time to do any such thing. There was no time. Ivanni chase time, he has no time to do that kind of things. The snake slithered along my shoulder. So what happened? The snake slithered means smoothly moved and coiled around my left arm. Coiled around my left arm. Okay, and above the elbow. The hood was spread out and its head was hardly 3 or 4 inches from my face. Hood means this one. Okay, snake tala untundi kada. Nearly 3 or 4 inches. Very near to his face that hood was. How the man will be, children? Can you imagine if the snake is near in front of our face? The hood was near our face 2 or 3 inches. What will happen to us? What will happen? We can do anything? What is the situation? I would not be correct to say merely that I sat there holding my breath. What he is saying? He just to hold his breath and sit on that chair. Okay, he is holding his breath like that. He sit like a statue. Okay, I was turned like a stone. What? He just turned like a stone. Okay, he was just turned like a stone. Okay, then after that what happened? He is thinking, somewhat thinking. What he is thinking? But his mind was active. His mind was active. He became like a stone, but his mind is active. Okay, the door opened in darkness. The door was opened and the room all surrounded by darkness. In the darkness, there was one lamp. He lamped one light, no? He sat there like a stone image in the flesh. Okay, his mind is working, but his body become like a stone. Okay, I felt then the great presence of creator of the world and this universe. He is thinking. What he is thinking? The great presence of the universe and creator of the God. He thought no before, I want to marry a beautiful girl. He has plenty of money. She want to be fat and she is not able to run behind me. And what is that again? I want to thin mustaches. I want to maintain and attractive smile. So many thoughts, lovely thoughts. He thought in his mind. But the God, what he created is that only will happen, children. So whatever we are thinking, whatever we are desiring, whatever మనం ఏం కోరుకున్నామో అది దేవుడు ఎప్పటికీ ఇవ్వడు. సో ఆ దేవుడు ఏది ఇవ్వాలనుకున్నాడో అది మనకి ఇస్తాడనమాట. ఓకే, హిస్ థాట్స్ ఆర్ ఆపోజిట్ గాడ్ హ్యాస్ డన్. ఓకే, suppose I said something and he did not like it. I tried to my imagination to write in bright letters outside my little heart on words. Oh God. Okay, see what he's saying that only. So what we are thinking, that opposite the God will do us. Okay. At my okay, there was some pain in my left arm. There was some pain in left my arm. Because why? Because the pain is getting, because the snake is coiling tightly to his hand. That's why the arm is paining. Okay, it was if you think laden rod, the rod పెట్టి కొడితే ఎలా ఉంటుందో pain, that much pain it is getting. Okay, made of molten fire, was slowly but powerful, crushing my arm. Crushing my arm. ఎలా అంట, it was crushing the snake, it is turning it into around his arm, it was crushing అనమాట. బిగ్ స్నేక్స్ కొండ చిలువలు అలాగే చుట్టుకుంటాయి అన్నమాట, ఏదైనా థింగ్ని కానీ మనిషిని కానీ అలాగే హోల్డ్ అవుట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాయి. సో ఒక రాడ్ పెట్టి కొట్టినంత పెయిన్గా ఆయన సఫర్ అవుతున్నాడు. దామ్ వాజ్ బిగినింగ్ టు బి డ్రెయిన్ టు ఫాల్ స్ట్రెంత్. వాట్ కుడ్ ఐ డూ? సో వాట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు డూ? Like that he is thinking. At my slightest movement, the snake would strike me. Death lurked 4 inches away. Okay, what the doctor is saying? Yes, my time is over. The death is very near to us. Okay, it stuck. What was the medicine? If the stalk was stuck, if the snake bite means, if it is stuck me means, what medicine I have to take? He's imagining, see how many thoughts, because his mind is active. Yes or no? That's why he is thinking, if the snake is stuck means, what kind of medicine I have to take? What kind of medicine I have to take? There were no medicines in my room. There was no medicines in my room. I was but poor, foolish and stupid doctor. I must say, I am poor and I am a stupid doctor. I forgot my danger and smiling flatly at myself. Inside he is smiling, children, not outside. Because he is not able to move, because the snake is in his body. Yes or no? That's why he is not able to move anywhere. It seemed as if God appreciated that. God is seeing these all things and it seemed it is appreciated. The snake turned its head. What happened? The snake somewhat turned his head like that and it looked into the mirror. What the snake is doing? The snake is looking into the mirror and saw its reflection. Reflection means ప్రతిబింబం చూసుకుంటుంది స్నేక్. తనలాగే ఒక స్నేక్ అద్దంలో కనిపిస్తుందని హీఈస్ లుకింగ్ అనమాట. ఐ డు నాట్ కమ్ దట్ ఇట్ వాస్ ద ఫస్ట్ స్నేక్ దట్ ఐ హ్యాడ్ ఎవర్ లుక్డ్ ఇన్ టు ది మిర్రర్. వాట్స్ ద డాక్టర్ ఈస్ సేయింగ్? Till now I did not see any snake, did not see the mirror. This is the first snake I am seeing. It is watching the mirror. But it was certain that the snake was looking into the mirror. Was it admiring its own beauty? What's the doctor is saying? It is admiring his beauty. What he is doing? What he is trying to make an important decision? By seeing his mirror, he is taking any important decision? Like me, about growing mustaches, these are penchukovalanuntunta snake, and using eyeshadows, eye mascaras. Okay, mascaras means eyelashes. Okay, otherwise, well, vermilion spot on his forehead, bottu pettukovalanuntunta by seeing the mirror. So like that, so many expressions is expressed by this man. Okay na children, bye.